Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive into the best products out there to make your life easier. Today, we have a must-have for anyone looking to stay organized, the Aegero plastic folders with pockets. This is the best two-pocket folder plastic you'll find on the market, perfect for school, office use, or just keeping your documents in order at home. First off, let's talk about the colors. These folders come in a vibrant rainbow set of 7 different colors: red, blue, yellow, green, purple, orange, and black. Not only do these colors make it easy to organize your papers by subject or project, but they also add a little fun to your workspace. Whether you're a student looking to separate your schoolwork or a professional trying to keep your files in order, these folders will help you stay organized with ease. Speaking of organization, the Aegero folders are designed to hold your documents securely. Each folder features 2 pockets that can each hold over 50 sheets, so you're looking at a total of 100 plus sheets per folder. They're made to fit standard 8.5 x 11 inch letter size papers, making them ideal for most office and school documents. Whether you're storing reports, essays, or important project notes, these folders have the capacity to keep everything neat and accessible. Durability is another standout feature of the Aegero folders. Made from high-quality polyethylene plastic, these folders are tear-resistant and water-resistant. This means they'll stand the test of time, even with regular use. If they get dirty, no worries, just wipe them clean with a damp cloth, and they'll look good as new. Whether you're tossing them into a backpack or a filing cabinet, these folders will hold up under the wear and tear of daily use. But there's more to these folders than just their durability. Aegero has thought of the little details to make them even more functional. Each folder comes with a built-in business card slot, so you can easily store your cards and keep your contact information handy. It's a small addition, but it adds a lot of convenience. Finally, these folders are incredibly versatile. Whether you're a student, a teacher, an office worker, or just someone who likes to keep their documents organized at home, these folders are a great choice. They're perfect for sorting through loose files, keeping important papers safe, and making your work environment more organized. The Aegero plastic folders with pockets are practical, durable, and vibrant, everything you need in a folder. So if you're in the market for reliable, heavy-duty, two-pocket folders, the Aegero plastic folders are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching this review from Product Critique. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more product reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.